Hey, this is Tanisha, and this is Abstract Challenge number 24 out of 100. And so, if you watched my video last week, you'll know that I've been working on a commission. It's somewhat like a commission in a sense for a company, and they've been giving me different themes for their events. And so, the theme this week was dessert. So, the idea is just to try to make something color wise that's kind of a dessert theme. And so that's what I did. Now I'm using these challenges to do this because, like I said, it's somewhat of a commission, but not really. It's a little bit different. But again, if you're new to these challenges, my goal is to take about 15 minutes to just try different abstract techniques, which means it doesn't mean I'm going to finish the painting, or the goal is not to finish it, is to try new things, to keep myself ideas fresh and just keep me open to different ideas. Now in this case, for what I'm doing for the company, I did take a little bit longer than 15 minutes, but I still used the overall concept of what I've been doing for the challenges for the most part, with a little bit of extra time. I did pick some colors that I thought would go well. So I did use more of a pink purple because I felt like that was more of a dessert tone, I guess. But I do wish I would have used a bit more pink than I did the purple. But that's for next time. For now, I really had fun making this one, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you stay to the end, you'll get to see I'm going to use like a fake company's name just so you can see it over the image. Because I do try to make these in a way where there's an open space to put words. I didn't spend a whole lot of time putting the words together for this one. Now I like how it came out for the company, but I did just kind of quickly throw something together, added a fake name onto it just so you could see how it looked. Hey, so here's where I added that purple, and I went just a little bit too far with the purple. I mean, it wasn't horrible, but I really wish I would have used more pink. And, it is what it is. It still had that dessert theme type of look, but yeah, I went a little crazy on the purple. Overall, I mean, I was happy with it, but, if I had to do the dessert theme again, I would do something a little different. Maybe focus more on pink or even pops of red or something like that. But anyways, here we're getting into some mark making. There's some things I wish I wouldn't have done here, but this is actually maybe the second one I made. So after making this second one, it became very clear that although I love doing mark making, it wouldn't be good for the company's. You need a place for the company's name to go. So that little twirly circle that I did right to the left of my hand right now was just a little bit too much, but it still worked out in the end. But I knew better going forward not to do things like that, because you need to have a space for the company's name. Also, what's very interesting is I am using a square image, but the image that I was creating would end up being a 5:7, so you don't really see the entire piece of what you're seeing here. There's only like a part of it that you actually see, so it makes the image look a bit different. So I tried to use some different mark making tools, and here, as you can see, I put that white. I wish I would add a little more, maybe pink to it, but overall that was definitely a pop of color, made that purple stand out more. And then I go back in and I put those scribble marks. Bad idea. But like I said, you live and you learn, and that's what happens. We live and we learn, and you do better next time. And that's what I did going forward. Didn't have these issues anymore. Also had fun with my Woody Stabilos here. I absolutely love using those, and of course my Posca pen, my favorite, and just had a lot of fun making this. Like I said, a lot of things I would have done differently, but really enjoyed it, and you're gonna see a sample of it in just a moment. So anyways, if you really like this video, please subscribe if you're not subscribed, like the video, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I really hope you enjoy it, and look forward to talking to you on the next channel.